Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT R. Equipped with a 4-liter, 577 horsepower V8 biturbo engine and a 7-speed DCT transmission with rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a sharp AMG Green Hell Magno exterior color and Black Nappa Leather with DINAMICA interior and yellow contrast stitching. This GTR is in basically brand new condition and comes loaded with features including navigation, exclusive interior trim, Black Nappa Leather and DINAMICA, rear camera, Bluetooth, Burmester sound, AMG Performance power heated memory seats, AMG carbon fiber trim, AMG adaptive sport suspension, Parktronic, blind spot assist, black 19-inch front and 20-inch rear AMG 5 twin-spoke forged wheels, convenience package, yellow seatbelts, lane tracking package, and much more.